Man, that's some good goofy juice right there.
What's up, gamers? I thought you were gonna say it with me.
It's not my channel, dude.
I pay you though.
Not to say that.
What's going on, gamers? Today we're coming at you with another meme mukbang. Roll the intro. On deck today we got some banana bread muffins.
Brought to you by Nana. Shout out Nana.
Got some good H2O water.
H2O.
We got some Cheez-Its.
Got some chips.
And we got some nice adult coffee.
Goofy juice.
It's like this right now.
Y'all very balling.
Kevin, watch the light, dude.
Oh, shoot.
Perfect for children with no necks.
That's the stuff you see in nightmares.
Dude, I see your dad in my nightmares.
What does that even mean?
Roll the clip.
Manga,
Got it.
manga. Don't stay shut. Hentai, hentai, gimme that nut.
Wow.
Hell yeah!
This is a kids channel.
Again, my mom did not sign the permission slip, and I can't watch this kind of video.
That was very immature.
Mom, pick me up. No, don't do it to him. Don't do it to him.
Oh my god.
Well, hello there.
I don't. These moth things are so dumb.
The moth meme?
They're not even funny.
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan.
I think I'm just out of touch, dude. I'm getting old.
You're getting
dude.
old. It's okay, man.
I'm 12 now. I'm just getting too old.
Guten Tag, Ni hao, Bonjour, Hola, Slave.
Oh my god! What?
Kind of spilled everywhere.
Oh no. The hell is this? Oh! I hate this one.
お前の命は俺の気まぐれで助かっただけだという。
I don't know what they're saying. Yeah, dude.
Right up the poop chute. Whoa.
Oh.
We didn't plan that. Oh. That one was good.
That was my favorite
The
one.
music, and everything.
I love Guardians of the Galaxy.
You told me you never saw it.
Just do it for the video. Say it's not. Oh my god. That was kind of funny. That was pretty good.
That wasn't bad.
That's Travis Barker?
That's Phil Collins.
Oh.
You should know this, dude.
One, what's your emergency?
Hey man, yeah, I'm cooking something here. I was wondering how much trouble you could get in for meth.
And you've called the police to ask how illegal meth is?
That kind of sounds like your dad.
Dad, you could call 911. You go to 7-Eleven. You could go to a middle school. You can't visit my ballerina recital?
Hey, cut it out, bro. Cut this out.
Well, yeah, I figured if anyone would know, it'd be you guys.
Is this Darnell Bickham's of Cherrywood Road?
No, Darnell's not here right now. Can I take a message?
The police are on their way, Darnell.
Ah, nuts. I mean, yeah, that's fine, because nothing's wrong here except me just cooking some meth. Ah, double nuts, I said it again.
See you soon, Darnell.
Dad, Darnell.
All right, it was
Darnell.
good talking to you.
Good talking to you too.
All right, see y'all in a little bit.
He's just like, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to jail.
I'll bake you some cookies.
I'll make some meth.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Would you like to buy some marijuana? I'm thinking maybe $40. Give me the bag.
Hey, what's in your hands?
There's nothing in my hands.
What's in your hands?
Nothing. I
Open your
swear.
hands.
All right.
What are you, a comedian?
Actually, officer, I'm a magician.
Okay, up against the wall, Houdini.
That was good.
Back with your moth meme.
Oh my god. So dumb.
Billy Bobby Brown says Drake Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone.
Oh.
God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good sometimes I don't.
Oh my gosh, stop. Please stop. Stop.
Oh. Alright, gamers. Those were the memes. Hopefully you enjoyed.
Not bad. I give it a 6.3725. Mark it, lock it in.
I'm feeling more of a 5.1.
Okay.
They were good, but a little too many Moth memes.
Yeah.
You know, Moth memes, they're not bad, but
overkill.
a little too much.
Overkill in the Moth memes. Bring it down a little bit.
But
Other
yeah.
than that,
Not too bad.
not bad.
Hopefully you gamers enjoyed at home as well. If you liked the video, smash like. If you guys like the channel, smash subscribe. And if you like us, find us a girlfriend, because we're both lonely and sad and single. And
Don't put that in there, dude. You can't say this.
hey, bro, cut it out, bro. Until next time, gamers, stay sipping on that goofy juice.
That was weird.
Do it again.
Direct deposit again?